So now we are going to get the third number. We are measuring relationship between two variables using Pearson's product moment formula. Okay, we're on the third number to calculate in this very lengthy formula. It says that n times the sum of x squared. Remember, we start from the right whenever we see sigma. We have to find x squared first. Find the square of each value of x. Then add up these values to get the total. So you have to square, then add. And then you multiply this total by the number of pairs. You have to multiply by 7 again. So there's an n, which is 7. So after you square, you add, and then you multiply by 7. Doing this manually without Excel, you square each number, okay? Each x. So it's the x's that you square. So you have 9 squared. 9 squared is equal to 81. Then you have 40 squared. 40 squared is equal to 1644 is 1620. And you do this for all the x values manually. And then you add. And then you multiply by 7. Check out the example 7.2. And here it is done. The third number, all the x's are squared. 2 to the 4, 3 to the 9, 4 4 is 16, 1 and 1 is 1. Add it to get 64, multiply by 6 because n is 6 there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to get 384. In the example 7.2. You have an opportunity to demonstrate it how this can be done easily using Excel. Create another column called x to the power of 2, x squared. All right. Then you click enter, type equal A2, type A2, Excel indicate A2 runtime, which is the first one, 9, raised to the power of 2, raised to the power is shift and the 6, that's where you get the upward arrow, enter, 81. Go to 81, you go to your little green rectangle, you double click, pop up, 1600, 9 squared is 81, 40 squared, and so forth and so forth. 60 squared is 4600. To find the sum, you can drag the sum formula to it if you want, or go back to the auto sum. Go back to the auto sum and just type auto sum, click on auto sum, enter, bam. Here's my total of the x squareds. But I'm not through. Remember the formula say you have to multiply the sum of x squared by n. So let's do that there. N, okay, n times, all right, the sum of x squared, the sum of x squared, okay, equal. Oh, by the way, this number there is not just xy, it's n times xy, n times xy. That one is sum of x times sum of y. This one is n times the sum of x squared. So we type equal, n is 7 times, and the sum of x squared, here it is in D9. Let's click on D9 and bam. 7 times 8951, which is in D9, enter, and I get a value of 62,657. Put this in bold, increase this a little bit. 62657, that's what I'm getting in my third number, 62657, 62657. Number 3, 62657. Okay, so please do that either manually or using Excel for assignment B. Press C.